welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your iPhone thank you every time you charge it.
Thanks, buddy. I needed that.
So, do you want your iPhone to tell you how thankful it is every time you charge it? If so, follow these steps. First, go to your Shortcuts app. At the bottom, tap Automation. Scroll down and tap Charger. Select Run Immediately. On the top right, tap Next. Select Speak Text. In the text field, type what you want your iPhone to say out loud. You can also click on the arrow button to get more options like language and voice. After you're satisfied, tap Done. Now, every time you connect your iPhone to a charger, it will speak your personalized message.
Thanks, buddy. I needed that.
How cool is that? Very cool. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Grazie.
Thanks, buddy. I needed that.